Okay, so hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a quick little video that is going to be Halloween themed, and I am getting ready to go teach dance right now. So I am going to do a quick little spider eye on one of my eyes to do something kind of festive but still wearable and doesn't take up my entire face while I am teaching. So I'm going to start off by just doing a quick smoky eye, and then I will extend some spider webs and a little spider to my brow, and then a little spider coming down from the wing. The palette I'm using today is the Metal Matte Kat Von D palette. First, I'm going to just do some white shadow from lash to brow to cover my entire eyelid. And I am focusing most of the color up towards my brow, since that's where most of the lines will be shown. So that first color was linen, and now I'm going to go into stone. Now I'm going to go in with Jet, the deep dark black color, and bring that closest towards my lash line. I'm just going to use a liner brush for that. And now I'm just extending that shadow out from my outer lash line to create a winged look on each side, and then I'm going to blend the deep dark black color into the gray stone color. Now I am going to use the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper to create a nice deep wing from my outer lash towards my eyebrow. I'm going to continue drawing lines from my eyebrow to my lash line to start creating the webbed effect. Now that I have the base lines drawn from my eyebrow to my lashes, I'm going to connect them with little smile or U-shaped lines that will start to really make that web appearance happen. So my Kat Von D liner has now dried up on me. I'm switching over to the Jaunt Blue Art Makeup Liquid Eyeliner to finish up the connection lines. Unfortunately, I don't care for this one as much because its lines are not quite as dark as the Kat Von D, nor are they as sharp, but it will have to do because all of my other eyeliners are either dried out or are pencils. On the plus side, this look is pretty forgiving as far as the lines go. It does not have to be completely perfect because you are creating curves in between. So just kind of letting the pen flow in between each of the connection lines or base lines does leave a little room for mistakes that can be cleaned up and gone over again to make it a little bit darker. As long as there is a curve, everything ends up looking pretty cool, pretty neat for the final web design. So here is the eye look with all of the connection lines drawn. I'm going to do the other side off camera. Voila. And I also created a little spider hanging off of that outer web. Next, I'm going to add mascara, and I'm using the Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara to really give a full lash effect with this dark smoky eye. To complete the look, I added a nice bright red lipstick, and I even put a touch of it on my spider. This can also be used with a black lipstick, just whatever you're feeling. And once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.